Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find some useful information in the Hostelworld application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the help button. And as you can see, there are several topics that you can choose, like cancel booking, rating Hostelworld, and data protection notice. So just click on the one that you are interested in, and for example it will give a very long description on how you can cancel your booking in this application, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.